Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. I am here to present you latest news of 25th July. Government extends domestic airfare capping for 3 months till November 24. This is from New Delhi. Domestic fares will now remain capped till November 24. Domestic passengers flights had resumed on May 25 after remaining suspended for 2 months. The government had at that time fixed minimum and maximum fares, and airlines need to sell 40% seats below midpoint of the fare band to each flight. This capping was to remain till 11:59 p.m. of August 24, 2020. On Friday, the Aviation Ministry extended the validity of this order for 3 more months till 11:59 p.m. of November 24, 2020. As per the prevailing situation of COVID-19, the central government directs shall remain in force till 11:59 p.m. of November 24, 2020 or until further orders. An order issued by Aviation Ministry Joint Secretary S.K. Mishra said, based on this, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has directed airlines to strictly adhere to the same. The ministry had on 21 classified domestic flights into 7 categories based on flying time, starting at flights below 40 minutes having a range of rupees 2000 rate to rupees 6000 and going up to those with flying times of 3 hours, 3.5 hours with the range of rupees 6500 to 18,600 rupees. Delhi Mumbai, one of the world's busiest domestic air routes, fall in a category with fare range of rupees 3500 to 10,000. Airlines will need to sell 40% seats at below the midpoint of rupees 6,750. The economy one-way fares fixed by the government do not include user development fee of airports, passenger security fees and GST. The government has decided to put up a cap on the fare range with starting domestic scheduled flight to strike a balance between protecting consumer interest from overcharging and airlines cutting fare due to competition to a point that their own viability becomes suspect. That is from today. I Vinay Kumar come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.